Welcome back. Today we will review the Oppo Find N2 Flip. Now let's unbox the package. And firstly we see the Oppo Find N2 Flip, which we'll explore later. And then in the package we'll find the charging cable, the 44-watt Super VOOC charger. Oppo also provided a transparent casing for this smartphone. Now let's unwrap the package. Here is the Oppo Find N2 Flip, and it's based on the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus. The Oppo Find N2 features a lighter hinge that is easy to use and a nearly invisible crease. The main display is a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus foldable design with 120Hz refresh rate. And there is also a 3.26 cover screen that is powered by widgets. For example, you can reply to your WhatsApp message with emojis without opening the clamshell. The smartphone is powered by Android 13 and the UI on ColorOS 13.0. There are 3 cameras on this phone. The front camera is a 32 megapixel with a Sony IMX709 sensor. The rear camera is a 50 megapixel wide-angle camera with a Sony IMX890 f1.8 and 1/1.56 sensor size. The other wide-angle camera is 8 megapixel, the Sony IMX355 16mm f2.2 camera. What you are seeing here is the exterior screen where you can actually control the widgets. For example, you can take a selfie, you can check the weather, you can check your calendar, timer, you can also pair up your wireless earphones, reply to your messages, etc. Now let's take a look at the camera and video features of this phone. The options you can find in the camera mode are very similar to the Oppo Find X series. Night photo shots, AI highlighted videos, AI photos, portrait. You can choose to take photos in the professional mode where you can adjust the white balance, the ISO level, etc. You can also take photos using the expand mode. Photos taken will have the authentic feel of the classic Hasselblad camera. Now these are some of the photos we took in wide angle, normal, 2x zoom, and also 20x digital zoom. So these are some normal shots in daytime using zoom mode. Now this is a 4K 30 frames video stabilization test. You can see that the video shot is quite stable. This video was shot on a rainy day. The skyline was very hazy during the filming. Capture the details in night video with AI highlight turned on. In conclusion, the Oppo Find N2 Flip is a remarkable smartphone with cutting-edge features. I'm impressed with the camera system. Even though there's only EIS in video recording, night videos in dim lighting turns out well. You can also take photos in expand mode, which gives you the Hasselblad feel. Lastly, this phone supports 5G connectivity. The phone supports 2 SIM slots and eSIM through a simple QR code scan. We have come to the end of this short video review. I hope you like this video review. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.